So Chris, we're here for the launch of the Behind the Line, Behind the Team campaign. Can you just tell us a little bit about the campaign and how important it is for our young children in Wales?
Yeah, it was when we were asked to do it, it was something that I was very interested in getting involved in. Unfortunately, this type of thing does go on throughout football. We young players, and something we're looking to, I think, stamp out. And I think it's trying to re-educate people mainly about the do's and don'ts, about putting added pressure, unnecessary pressure on kids. So when we were asked to do it, we were more than happy to get involved. Glad we did it, enjoyed it, and so far, we've had good feedback from it, and hopefully it'll get the right message across.
I think it's a great campaign. I think the DVD is first class. It gets the clear, strong messages across that behaviour must be more responsible from parents, from spectators. They shouldn't scream abuse at the match officials, their own children or any of the children playing. It does discourage children from taking part in football. And of course, Welsh Government wants to see as many children taking part in football as possible, getting the health benefits, the fun and enjoyment really, and feeding into our national side and other teams in Wales. So this campaign I think is really important in terms of tackling some of the barriers, some of the disincentives to our young people playing football. So Welsh Government is fully behind it, and I think Football Association Wales, Football Trust in Wales are doing a great job.
What was it like taking part in the video with Chris Coleman?
Well, it was a great experience, I never thought that we'd have the opportunity to meet one of the most iconic people in Wales. Luckily for us, he came in and we had a great time, and it was quite surreal really. He was talking to us, and seeing him on telly and stuff. It was quite amazing. Seeing him face to face, it was quite cool.
I think the point was we're trying to raise awareness above all, and I think we've done that. I think the importance of it, about us all getting involved in it, and the points we're trying to get across, and I think we've done that, which is the main thing.